Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you could create a new collection and how you could manually add products from your single products or from your combo products into the collection. So basically you have to click on products right here, then scroll down, you'll see the word collections, click on it. Once you're on the collections page, you could see the available collections that you have created in the past, and you see how many products you have added in each of these collections. So a collection could be used if you want to organize your products in a specific way. Let's say you want to group some products into a collection just for either organizational purpose, or in the future you, for example, could create a rule and you could create a promotion, for example, a discount that you would apply to a specific collection, and you create these actions based and upon a specific group of products that you've selected and you've grouped into a collection. So with that being said, let's create a new collection right here. All what you have to do is click on the upper right hand corner of the screen on the button that says add new. Once you click on add new, you'll be able to enter a collection name. We could call it collection fashion, for example. So we could add clothes or makeup into this collection. This is optional. You could add a description just to describe what types of product you're adding into this collection. You could add an image to easily identify your collection. And then here you have two options, manual and automated. We could get started with the manual first. So basically manual will allow you to manually add products from your single products or from your combo products and add them here into your collection. So if you scroll down, you would see a list of all of the SKUs that you've added into your PIM master list. Once you click add, then this product gets removed from here. And actually it doesn't get removed, it just gets added up here into the list, right? So let's say you want to remove a product from your collection, you just click on remove. So that removes it from here. Now if you want to add S5 from your single products to the collection, you just click add and it gets added right here. Once you're done, you'll just click on save, and then these products will get saved into this collection. So now collection created successfully, and then it will show to you right here. Now once I've refreshed the screen, here's the collection and we added 3 products into it. Now if you want to edit this collection and add more products into it, you just have to scroll down to the bottom and click on edit. Once you click on edit, we will be able to add more products or remove products from the collection. Right, so if we click on this one, it says this one is already existed because we already added this product, so we can't add it twice. Now here we are adding more products. Okay, so now we have these products added. Now we just have to click save. Once you click save, then all of these products again got saved, so we have a total of 5 products now into this collection. You could also go in the future version of the PIM, you'll be able to go into your product, and under each product you'll be able to see which collection it is added to, and you would also be able to see and edit the collections that you could add this product into. You also have a search and filter function right here, so you could search for a specific collection and you could also sort it based on alphabetical order. With that being said, this finishes our collection video, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at item support.